Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom calls, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn your camera off in a Zoom call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn your camera off in a Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably join in on a lot of different sales calls or team calls, but sometimes you're not ready to be on camera. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in the Zoom call itself. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up an actual Zoom call, as you can see right here. Now, in order to turn off your camera during a Zoom call, you're going to look down here in the bottom left. You'll see this kind of camera logo. You can see mine's off because it has a red line through it. But if we uncheck it, you can see I pop up here on camera. So if you're in the middle of a Zoom call and your camera's on, all you're going to do is just click on the video camera button down here, and then immediately you'll disappear. So now that I've turned my camera off, I'll see the red line, and then also anybody inside that Zoom call, all of the participants won't be able to see what I have going on. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn off your camera during a Zoom call, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.